Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Goart Ghibli style AI image. So first of all you need to install it in your device, then tap on the open button and then you can see the interface like this. So like nowadays we see on the social media like trending Ghibli style, but in this app you will get all the Ghibli style in a one frame. And Muppet style, you can see minifigure one, Monet. So there are a lot of styles available here, you can see. And also there are a couple of Ghibli style like 1 2 3, Simpson style, Roboco, Cartoon 3. You can try it out. And also exposure more AI tool like color splash, double exposure, AI case, face swap, delicate artifacts. So you can get here artifacts like which one you are going to choose. So for example I'm just going to choose Ghibli style one, so this one. So just tap here. So they say that you need to unlock all premium feature. So first of all I'm just going to choose this one. So click here, submit. So I got 3 free coins here. So waiting to 5 minutes, so you need to wait 5 minutes to get the your style, Ghibli style one. So you can see just they said it's created now. So this way like it's cool. And you can also edit by photo ray background, you can change it later. Okay, you'll get a couple of options. It's like a image editor. Like you can edit your, you can also generate this image into video. Like you can see option a video generator. So let's see, click here. Then okay, I'm just going to choose generate now. Okay, every generation consumes 5 credits. So in free mode you can't generate videos because it needs 5 credits, and I have only 2 credits. So for every image you create you have to spend 1 credit, but if you want to generate videos then you need more than 5 credit. So generate video, you can generate video, but this time I'm not a premium members. So cancel. So you can see couple of options, the which one you choose, then you have to click that one and you have to upload your photos. And if you want to upgrade your membership, then tap here, you can see. So then daily check-ins for free Goart. So you can okay, pro version, you can see. And you can also earn credit through watching some things and watching some things. So, and if you want to join, then you have to subscribe. So it's easy to use, generate on AI. Like if you want to enter prompt, then you can generate. Okay, you can style. Okay, generate. For example, okay, I'm just go out here. Like if you want to generate your text to speech, then you can give your prompt here, and then you should choose your style and generate now 1 credit. You need 1 credit for every image creation. So this is one transformer and avatar. You can also create avatars, also videos, you can generate videos, you can get inspirations. Okay, like many people create it, and you can see how it looks like the people created, and you can see and you can get inspiration from them. And if you want to buy membership, try pro, then you can get the membership.